Looking for fast, affordable garage door repair in Palmetto, Florida? P. Waters Garage Door Overhead Solutions is your trusted local expert for springs, cables, motors, and openers, residential or commercial. Whether it's emergency garage door repair near Palmetto, Florida, or full garage door replacement in Palmetto, our certified techs are just a call away. From tune-ups to installations, we deliver dependable garage door repair Palmetto homeowners count on. Need service today? Call now for top-rated garage door repair near me.